Hi, everybody. Thank you for your time, first of all. I'll try to make this quick. Okay, so here's Nest. It's a module registry and CDN for Deno powered by Arweave. So a little bit about me before we begin. My name's Tate Berenbaum. I began coding at age 13. I've been studying blockchain since around the bull run of Bitcoin when it got up to 20,000 or so. And I started Nest as a weekend project, and then that picture is of me in 2020. So what is Deno? Deno was created by Ryan Dahl, who founded Node. It fixes many of Node's problems, one of the most notable being it doesn't require the use of NPM or any sort of centralized entity that controls where your packages are coming from. And it was launched relatively recently, even though it's been in development for around 2 years. So notably, at the top here, we have an import statement for code in Node. And then at the bottom, this is how you'd import a module in Deno. So take note to the fact that you import your code from a web URL. And this is the way Deno goes about not requiring you to use something like NPM. But this has a few issues, because what if a site were to go offline, or a site is deleted, or data is changed? So all of these situations would result in the code breaking, because you wouldn't be able to import these modules that are no longer there or are edited. So that's where Nest.land comes in. So Nest is immutable, it's secure, and it's globally accessible thanks to Arweave. So profit sharing tokens come in here because we can we can put in a small tip on the modules being uploaded whenever a developer uploads a module. And then we can use these minted PSTs to pay out users based on the popularity of their modules. We can also pay them to code-based contributors, and we can use them to make decisions about the platform. So here's a short demo of what Nest is and how you can upload a module. So this is the website in its current state. So first, you're going to need to create an account, if you don't already have one, to get an API key, and that'll allow you to use the platform. And then you can install our CLI, and here it's pre-installed. And this is just a sample module, super simple, hello world. And I'm using my our CLI to publish that module to Nest. So you can just type eggs publish and then go back to the gallery where you can see the new module. And it's super simple. And then that's what the information page looks like, where you can see some things about it. So now if we want to use this module in our Deno code, you can import it just like how it's imported at the top there. And then you just run it just like how you'd run a Deno application. And it's installing that module straight from Arweave, and then you can use it just like that. So let's see here. So since launch, we've actually gotten a good bit of traction. We launched exactly a month after Deno launched or went public. So our team of 2 has grown to a team of 15. We now host over 90 modules, and we also occupy over 10% of the market, and 30,000 files we just surpassed last night are being stored and served straight from Arweave. So as you can see to the right, Ryan Dahl, he likes what we're doing, which is super awesome. And Deno, the organization, has also indirectly tweeted about us, because people are deploying modules and sharing that link for Nest to see information about the module. So we got a tweet. So thank you so much for your time. I look forward to your questions. If you have any after the pitches, you can reach me by email, and then my GitHub is there, and then Nest.land is how you access it.